What's going on, people, man? It's your boy J Will, man, back with another video, man. Today, what we got today is got a washer problem. Yeah, I said washer problem. It's a GE washing machine, not a Whirlpool. So what it's doing is it keeps overfilling. So once you put it on the setting that you want it on to wash your clothes on, and then you give it the right temperature that you want, and then the load size, you pull the knob and cut it on, it keeps overfilling past the load size. So we're gonna get into that and show you how to fix that. Well, potentially fix that, because it might occur again, and if it occurs again, you can do the same thing, or you can try the other step. Let's get into it. Yeah, like I said, my washing machine is overfilling. It probably started last week sometime. You know what I'm saying? It was working fine prior to that, but it started just kept overfilling. And you see what I got it on. I got it on a large load. So what I did was all you need, I went and got a hanger, which I prefer you to use this end, like the end that hooks onto the pole or whatever in the closet. Use this end because it got the ridges, okay? And I got a screwdriver, flathead per se, or yeah, flathead, because you gotta take this panel off. Like I told you, this is a GE, not a Whirlpool. So what you do is, you got these little clamps in here. I don't know if you see it. It's one right here, and there's one right here on this side. What you do is, you come in here with this flathead, you hit that panel, and you would pull. I would need to put this camera down in order to do it, but I can probably do it with it on here like this. But what you do is hit that panel, get up under there, lift it up, and you will pull, and it will come off. You gotta be careful, because this panel, don't mind these clothes, this panel is thin metal. You will cut yourself, so be careful. And in order to get this panel off at the bottom, you will lift like that. Cool. All right, so what you want to do? You want to go down here? Basically, I already really did it, so I already fixed my problem. So I'm just giving y'all this so y'all can fix y'all problem. Well, one of the cases that you can potentially fix it, because I don't know if it may occur, but it worked for me. So this line right here is a pressure line, which when you put the washing machine or whatever setting you want it on, and whatever water temperature, and then the load size, if your GE washing machine is overfilling, this is the pressure line. What you want to do is you want to unhook it from this. You want to unhook it from the this right here, pull it out. It might be clogged because it has a lot of dirt and gunk and stuff in it. So what I did is grab your hanger. You'll grab your hanger, take that off, and put your hanger in there and wiggle it until you get all the dirt out. You do that till you get all the dirt out, ladies and gentlemen. Well, most of it anyway, until you think it's clean enough. And then you would put your washing machine back on the setting that you want it on. And if it start overfilling on whatever load size and whatever temperature of water you want it on, you fix your problem. Also, if that doesn't work, you might have to go into the control panel, which is this right here. This whole lid right here. Might have to take that off, which is, on mine is 4 screws. On some GEs it's 3 screws, or whatever the case might be. You gotta get in there, take that off, or whatever, and you gotta, if that pressure line down there don't fix it after you unclog it, try this. Try this load size thing. You pop it out, move it over, bring it down, and swap that out and see if it works. That's all I got for you, man. Like I said, man, I'm J Will. If you found this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more content. Appreciate it, man. Y'all have a good day.